In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send video messages on TikTok. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. As usual, in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. Open the TikTok app, then select the person that you want to send the video message to. For example, I want to send the video message to this person called Word Oko. What do? There are various options here at the bottom. Now click on the camera icon. Then this one will direct you to your camera. Just tap on while using the app to allow those permissions. Okay, that's my back camera. Now there are other options. Instead of just sending the video, you can just go back, then select on the gallery icon, then you select a video that you will send to this person, or even a photo, whatever you want to send here, because TikTok will allow you to do that. Okay, but make sure that the video you send to this person is less than 60 seconds. For example, if I try sending a larger video, I will be warned that only videos up to 60 seconds can be uploaded. Okay, if you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.